Big Papa here with another quick hit. Today we're going to make some Tabasco butter. You can use this on anything. We're going to use it on burger buns today. What we're going to do, you kind of do this to taste. We're going to start with a stick and a half of melted butter, and we're going to put a teaspoon of Tabasco in the butter. Flavor your world, baby. Stir it up here. This is great for any time you use melted or drawn butter. Popcorn, seafood, crab. We're going to use it today on burger buns. A lot of people make a mistake when they're toasting their buns on the grill, and they butter it and then put it on the grill. What they do is they burn the butter. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna toast very quickly the buns. As we pull them off, we're gonna baste them in Tabasco butter. We're gonna get them in a pan covered, and we're gonna start cooking the burgers. But let's start with the buns. See, they're just toasting up a little bit. Watch them, because these babies can get away from you, and you just don't want that to happen. I'll try and pure these up pretty good, the tops and bottoms. And here comes the Tabasco butter. You stir it up. See how nicely toasted this is? It's not burned, so you toast the bun, just like in the kitchen. You don't butter it and then put it in the toaster. You toast it and then butter it. So that's what we're doing here. You really can't put too much butter on this. You can't have too much bacon, and you most certainly can't have too much Tabasco. And there you have the Tabasco buttered burger bun.